been appointed as the in charge for it. What are the things have been made?
The Prime Minister's visit on the 23rd of January is going to be historic. It's going to be historic in the sense that the kind of euphoria and the response and the anticipation amongst people is skyrocketing already. And very grand preparations are being made, and it is going to be NDA's first meeting. And we are expecting a very large turnout, and it's going to be, in Tamil they say Pilliyar Suli, which basically means every time you start something auspicious, you mark a sign of respect to God. In that sense, it's going to be the first event which is going to be signaling, marking the end of 5 years of tyrannical, dynastic, corrupt DMK's rule in Tamil Nadu, and the Prime Minister's visit to Tamil Nadu is going to become very significant after this.
How many lakhs of people expected to buy?
We are expecting about 5 lakh people to be turning out at the venue. We have finalized, shortlisted on a very, very large venue of about over 30-40 acres of land, and with adequate parking and facilities being made, and being proper political organizations. All measures are being taken to ensure the safety of the people who are coming for the conference, to make sure that there is no traffic blockage or people not having to wait for the leaders, because, leaders like the Prime Minister are very specific about time. They don't make make the public or the cadres wait for hours together for their own wishes. So it will be a very well planned, very well organized event, and we're looking forward to the 23rd of January.
The Pongal, all the national leaders, even Dharmendra Pradhan have celebrated. The Prime Minister had gone to Elmurugan residence today. Even Parashakti team also, whole team was there. After a lot of criticism ahead of BJP on this matter. How do you see this?
See, Pongal is a festival which marks the culture of Tamil Nadu and Tamil people. And when I say Tamil Nadu and Tamil people, I'm referring to every individual who worships the sun. Because Pongal is the festival of the sun god. It's thanksgiving to the sun. So everyone, any person who worships the sun can celebrate the festival of Pongal. It's part of the Tamil culture, and we are all Tamil in the sense that we are true Hindus. We believe in the sun god, and we offer our thanks to him. So is Sri Narendra Modi, so is Dharmendra Pradhan, so is Nitin Nabinji, so is Kishan Reddy ji, so are all the leaders, national leaders who all visited Elmurugan minister's residence today. They have gone yet again and proved that yes, we respect our culture, we respect our tradition. There is no regionalism in this. Nationalism always stands over regionalism, and that has been proved again by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
But Chief Minister and Karnamuri also says Pongal is not a religious festival, it is for everyone.
It is for everyone who worships the sun. Now, if a brother or a sister who follows or preaches Islam or follows Christianity is here, and if they say, yes, we worship the sun, you're welcome to celebrate Pongal. So it is a mark and it's a sign of respect to the sun god. So we worship the sun god and we celebrate Pongal. If Karnanidhi or his sister or any of the family members want to, make the festival diluted and make it common for all, then they are very much welcome to also make the others who want to celebrate Pongal to also worship the sun, and offer prayers. It's a particular ritual, and we follow the ritual. Of course, the holiday season is for everyone, but the festival is for people who believe in the God.